Hello students, let me introduce you to the play The Merchant of Venice written by William Shakespeare, which is part of your English literature. Yes children, this is one part of your English literature which will be for your examination as section A, in which you have to attend a compulsory question. Today we will learn the characters in the play. Antonio, a merchant in the play. Antonio was a rich merchant and also hero of the play, around whom the whole story revolves. Bassanio, Antonio's best friend and suitor to Portia. Yeah, Bassanio was best friend for Antonio. Both Antonio and Bassanio were Christians. Bassanio was in love with Portia. Antonio and Bassanio lived in Venice. Portia lived in Belmont. Gratiano, another friend of Bassanio and Antonio, who is in love with Nerissa. Who is Nerissa? Nerissa is lady in waiting or maid of Portia. Lorenzo, another friend of Antonio and Bassanio, who is in love with Jessica. Who is Jessica? Jessica is Shylock's daughter. Leonardo, he is a servant to Bassanio. The Duke of Venice, who comes in the trail scene. He is also the judge of the trail scene. It is fourth scene already. You will come later in 10th standard. For 9th standard children, it is just to know the Duke, the character who plays the main role in the Bond story which happens in the court of Venice. Salarino, Salanio and Salario, other friends of Antonio and Bassanio. Salarino and Salario are referred as same in the play in different places, but these two characters are same. Salanio, Salario, main characters to remember. Salario is another name, calling name for Salarino. The Prince of Morocco and the Prince of Aragon, suitors of Portia. Yeah, in Casket story, we will see the participants or suitors who come to select Portia. In that, one of the fellow is the Prince of Morocco and another one the Prince of Aragon. Shylock, rich Jew and a money lender in Venice, who lent money for interest. Yes children, Shylock was a Jew. Shylock's daughter is Jessica. She is also a Jewess. This Shylock was a rich fellow who lent his money for interest. Jessica, Shylock's daughter, who was in love with Lorenzo, who was a Christian. She was in love with the Christian boy Lorenzo. Tubal, Shylock's only friend, who is also a Jew and also a well-wisher for Shylock. Launcelot Gobbo, who is a comedian and also servant to Shylock. Launcelot is a Christian. Old Gobbo, Launcelot Gobbo's father. Portia, a rich heiress of Belmont who is in love with Bassanio. Nerissa, Portia's maid, that is her lady in waiting. You have to remember this sentence. Royally, in royal families, it is addressed as her lady in waiting, means lady in waiting. Here it means that she is a royal maid for Portia. Balthazar and Stefano, servants to Portia. Apart from these characters, we come across merchants, officers of the court of justice, jeweler, you can see the spelling, old spelling it is jeweler, Gaoler, musicians, servants to Portia and other attendants who play a major role in some of the scenes and some just they participate in the scenes. Thank you. You will just continue the play directly with Act 1, Scene 1. Please note down all these characters in your notes. Please maintain a notes for maintaining the short notes for your reference when you read the text in coming up days. Thank you.